Did you know that with the right meal plans, you can lose weight in just a few weeks? In today's video, we're going to explore effective meal plans that can help you lose weight fast while still enjoying delicious food. Losing weight doesn't have to mean giving up on tasty meals. Many people struggle with weight loss due to complicated diets and lack of meal planning. You might be bombarded with fad diets, meal replacement shakes, and endless lists of foods to avoid. Let's break down this challenge and see how we can tackle it together. We'll break down 3 simple meal plans that are easy to follow, highlighting what to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner while keeping calories in check. First up is our Plan A. For breakfast, how about some oatmeal topped with fresh berries? It's filling, loaded with fiber, and keeps you energized throughout the morning. For lunch, try a grilled chicken salad with a variety of colorful veggies and a light vinaigrette. It's refreshing and keeps your calorie count in check. And for dinner, let's whip up some baked salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa. This meal is packed with omega-3s and is super satisfying. Next, we have Plan B. Start your day with a smoothie made from spinach, banana, and Greek yogurt. It's a great way to kickstart your metabolism. For lunch, enjoy a turkey wrap with whole grain tortilla and plenty of veggies. It's a delicious way to get your protein in. For dinner, how about a stir-fry with tofu and lots of your favorite colorful veggies? Toss in some low-sodium soy sauce, and you've got a tasty meal. Finally, let's look at Plan C. For breakfast, indulge in avocado toast on whole grain bread topped with a poached egg. It's creamy, rich, and so good for you. Lunch can be a simple quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumbers, and a squeeze of lemon. And for dinner, let's go with some zoodles, zucchini noodles, topped with marinara sauce and lean ground turkey. It's low carb and super satisfying. These meal plans are not just about losing weight, they're about creating healthy habits that you can maintain. The key takeaway from these meal plans is how they balance nutrition and satisfaction, ensuring you don't feel deprived while achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable lifestyle, not a temporary fix. By focusing on whole foods, plenty of vegetables, and lean proteins, you'll not only lose weight but also gain energy and feel great. It's all about finding what works for you and enjoying the process. To summarize, effective weight loss can be achieved with straightforward meal planning, which we covered today through these easy-to-follow plans. You don't have to complicate things with restrictive diets. Instead, embrace these simple changes that can lead to lasting results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on healthy eating and weight loss tips, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, your journey is unique, so share what works for you and let's support each other in this health journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.